Morning students, today we are going to learn a new poem from 8th standard, unit number 3, poem number 1, Why. Why means reason, ka. Now I will take one important activity, chit chat activity. I will ask some questions to you, answer the questions properly. Why do we ask questions? आपण प्रश्न का विचारतो? Asking question is the simplest and most effective way of learning. It develops the curiosity, and so we ask questions to get information and gain knowledge. The second question is, do we get answers to all questions? आपल्याला सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे मिळतात का? Most of the time we get answers to all questions, but sometimes we do not get an answer if our question is confusing, difficult, or illogical. The third question is, how are questions useful in our life? आपल्या आयुष्यात प्रश्न कसे उपयोगी पडतात? Many great thinkers embraced the idea of consulting, questioning, as it helps us getting into the habit of self-reflection. It helps to gain information and knowledge. It also helps us to make someone speak and start conversation. So they are important to gain knowledge and also start communication with others. The fourth question is, do we think critically without questions? प्रश्न नसतील, प्रश्न विचारले नाही तर आपण बारकाईने विचार करतो का? If someone puts questions in front of us, we start thinking critically before answering. We never think critically unless and until questions are asked. The fifth one is, which 5 WH words are used to frame questions? प्रश्न तयार करण्यासाठी कोणते 5 WH ने सुरू होणारे शब्द वापरले जातात? WH words like what, where, when, why, and how are used to frame questions. Students, many why questions of your childhood must have been answered by now, yet you may want to know the why of many facts. Write down 5 such questions based on reason, cause. One is done for you. For example, why do penguins live only in polar region? Now you can write down 5 questions. Why do you study English? The first question. Second, why do wild animals live in the forest? Third, why is there no ice in deserts? Fourth, why don't we visit all the countries in our life? The fifth one is why should we help only the poor and not the rich? The sixth question is why can't the sea see? Now here we have so many questions we can create here. Now insert the proper question words to complete the questions to get the expected answers given in the bracket. How, when, where, what, who, whose, which, why. These are the WH questions. The answer is there. You can write down the questions using these WH words. The first one is dash dash is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Answer is given in the bracket Mumbai. You can ask the question, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Dash dash is your school located. The answer is on SB Road is my school located. You can ask the question, this is the place. SB Road is the place. So you can use where. Where is your school located? Dash dash is your examination going to begin next Monday. It shows the time. So you can use when is your examination going to begin. The fourth question, dash dash does the old man walk slowly means कशा प्रकारे म्हातारा चालतो. How does the old man walk? The fifth question is which color is your favorite? Which color is your favorite? Blue. It is the name of the color. So which color is your favorite? Question. Sixth, dash dash teaches you English. Name of the person. So who teaches you English? The seventh question, dash dash are you late to school? My bicycle got punctured on my way to school. So why are you late to school? This is the cause. So you can ask the question beginning with why. Why are you late to school? The eighth one is dash dash pen have you borrowed. Aman's pen means name of the person. Whose pen have you borrowed? Now I will read the poem. Unit number 3, poem number 1. Why? Ka. I know a curious little who is always asking why. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? Why not? Why by and by? Curious, having strong desire to know about something. जिज्ञासू चौकस. एक चौकस जिज्ञासू मुलगा विचारतो तो नेहमी का असा प्रश्न विचारतो. वाय दिस, वाय दॅट, वाय देन, वाय नो, वाय नॉट, वाय बाय अँड बाय. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why stars should shine and winds should blow, and why we eat and drink. Here, wood means लाकूड, the hard material of branch of tree. लाकूड, लाकूड का तरंगतो, पोहतो. शिंक, बुडणे. असं आहे की शिंक म्हणजे बुडणे. लीड अँड मार्बल्स, वाय शिंक, का बुडतात मार्बल्स अँड लीड. वाय स्टार शुड शाईन अँड विंड स्लो शुड ब्लो. चांदण्या का चमकतात, वारे का वाहतात. वाय वी ईट अँड ड्रिंक, आपण का जेवतो आणि पितो. ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो व्हॉट मेक्स द क्लाउड्स and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills, and why the flowers die. The little boy wants to know what makes the clouds. ढग कशाने बनतात and why they cross the sky. आकाश ओलांडून का जातात. Why sinks the sun behind the hills. सूर्य टेकडीच्या मागे कशा प्रकारे तो बुडतो and why the flowers die. आणि फुले का मरतात. He wants to know why wind should come from out of the bellows nose. Why pop gun should go pop and why the ocean ebbs and flows. Here bellows means bhata and apparatus for blowing air. भाता, भात्यामधून असा वारा वाहतो. पॉपगन, टॉय गन खेळण्यातील बंदूक. आणि एब्स, ई डबल बी एब म्हणजे ओहोटी लागणे, ओसरणे. सागराला ओहोटी का येतात. He wants to know why fish have gills and why boys cannot fly. Why steam comes from the kettle spout and rain falls from the sky. पहा, माशांचे श्वसनेंद्रिय गिल्स म्हणजे ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाय फिश हॅव गिल्स. माशांना श्वसनेंद्रिय का असतात. अँड वाय बॉयज कॅनॉट फ्लाय. फुले का उडत नाहीत. वाय स्टीम कम्स फ्रॉम द केटल स्पाउट. किटलीची चोच, तोटी मधून वाफ का येते. अँड रेन फॉल्स फ्रॉम द स्काय. आकाशातून पाऊस का पडतो. He wants to know why coal should burn and not a bit of stone. How seeds get in the apple core and marrow in the bone. Peppa, he wants to know, the little boy wants to know why coal should burn. कोळसा का बरं जळतो and not a bit of stone. दगड जळत नाही. Why seeds get in the apple core. Apple core आतील गाभा. बिया का आतील गाभावर येतात. ऍपल कोर सफरचंदातील अँड मॅरो इन द बोन. मॅरो मीन्स हाडातील चरबी का बरं येत आहे. ही वॉन्ट्स टू नो वाय आय शुड मेल्ट. वाय स्पायडर्स ईट द फ्लाईज. वाय बी शुड sting and why the yeast should make the dough to rise. Some of his whys are not too hard to answer if you will try, but other no one ever yet has found the reason why. Students, dough means a thick mixture of flour, water, extra ready to be baked into bread. तेंबलेली कणिक, मळलेले पीठ. या ठिकाणी बर्फ का वितळत आहे? स्पायडर्स का eat the flies? Why bees should sting and why the yeast? These are the questions to know the answers from why. Students, now you can write all the answers from this question, from the questions. Now, one question is here. Read the poem, discuss, complete the following blanks with proper action words. Food, action swim. Sun, sink. These are the action words. Rain, marble sinks. Flowers die. Stars shine. The winds blow. These are the action words. Now, students, please read this poem again and again, then answer the questions properly. Okay, thank you very much.